this is a tubular lock, a standard one. This is the key. I guess it has some decent bitting. I haven't tested if you can actually impression it, but I'm guessing you can. So it goes 90 degrees, so you would have to pick it twice, I think, to open it. Even though you couldn't impression it, if you pick it once and have the pins in between pin stacks, you are able to impression it in that moment. So you would usually only have to pick a tubular lock once anyway. So it doesn't have the traditional cutout, so I will be using this as a tension tool. This is some cheap Chinese tension tool. I guess it's actually just leftover metal, but I filed it down a bit so it's able to tension this lock. And I'll try to zoom today. I usually don't do that, but we'll see how that works. So you can see what I'm doing, and I'll do this through the camera lens, so we will have to see how that goes. And I'll use this, I think this is a Sparrow's probe or knife actually, for bypassing padlocks. But it should do, we'll see. I'll apply a little bit of tension. I'll click on one. I can't actually see the pins from here, but I'll have to try to feel them. I felt a little give on the core on that one. I'll try to do this without blocking the camera too much. I felt the give, I thought it was open. That one's set, I think. There we go. Feels like it's open. It is, and now it's locked in the next position. So I'll have to pick it again to get out the tension tool. A minor flaw. And of course now the top pin does not engage. We have no pin stack here, so no spring and no driver pin. But if I hadn't turned it fully, I would have been able to impression it. So, but this is definitely pickable, and yeah, quite fun, an easy lock. And even though it doesn't have the cutout for tensioning with the traditional tension tool for this one, we made it. So that's it, and have a nice day.